Hello, awesome viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how we can install WinfrGUI for Windows. So this is one of the recovery tools, a free open source tool which we can use to recover many things, right? These are the features of this WinfrGUI. It will recover all lost files of this particular format, JB, PDF, GOCX, etc. It will also recover all the files from SSD, HDD, etc. Okay, and also it will able to recover accidentally deleted files. For that, guys, just click on download free WinfrGUI. Click on that. It will try to download the file. Now it has downloaded the file. Okay. Let me go to the download section. Okay. Now let me try to install it. Let me double click this. So it is asking me for the language. Click on English. Okay. Now, let us click on next for it to install. Now it is extracting files, etc. Okay. Now it is asking me to launch WinfrGUI. Let me click on finish. So this is tool. Let me double click the tool. So this is how the recovery WinfrGUI tools looks like, and it has successfully installed. In the next video, we'll see how we can do the recovery. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.